In this film, someone approached a first aider with a dog bite to their right arm. They're worried about what's happened, and the first aiders deal with what they see. Have a look and see how they dealt with the incident, with the treatment they gave and the verbal support they gave to the casualty. See what you think they could do better, but remember, when you deal with an incident, it's not always as easy as what you learn on the training course. The equipment they're using is a ProTrainings trauma kit, which includes trauma bandages. These are more effective than standard first aid bandages.
Help! Help! Is somebody here who can help me? I've been bitten by somebody's dog. I might get rabies.
Do me a favour, go get a first aid kit. Hi, I'm Andrew. Okay, I'm a
Am I going to be alright?
You'll be fine. Can I get you to sit down for me, please? Right, what's your name, darling?
It's Nicola.
Nicola? Right, Nicola. Okay, it's not too pretty, but it's okay. Need some gloves on, please, pal.
I'm going to get rabies.
No, you'll be fine. We'll get you sorted. We'll get you out of here. Once you've got these on, I just need you to get in touch with 999. Okay, just let them know that we've got a dog bite. Okay, can I ask you to just put some pressure on this for me? Keep talking to me, Nicola. Put some pressure on it for me, love. Grant, you want phone to him?
Yeah.
Let them know where we are. That's it. Keep it elevated. You're okay. Promise you, you're going to be all right. What were you doing out today?
Coming out for a walk.
Oh, buddy.
Trying to get some exercise.
Well,
Told me to do 10,000 steps a day.
10,000 steps a day?
Yeah.
I'll be lucky to get 10 in. Right, darling. Listen, I'm going to put this
I'm
on.
not going to manage it today.
No, you'll be fine. Listen, we'll get you patched up. This is going to hurt, okay? I know, love it. I know. I need a trauma bandage. So 10,000 steps, how many did you get in today? It's still quite early though, we'll get you sorted. We'll get you out of here.
I'm sure I can hear the dog coming back.
No, the dog's nowhere near us, love it. Out, hold on, ambulance.
How long? 20 minutes, mate?
20 minutes. Right, ambulance is going to be here in 20 minutes. We'll take care of you until then. Okay? I need you to put some pressure on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Put it on, nice and tight. That's it, darling. You're okay. You're alright. Right, she's gone. We need to elevate her legs.
Okay.
Can you keep pressure on?
Keep
Lower
pressure
her
on,
down.
mate, yeah.
Nice and steady. Right. You got her?
Yep.
Good. I'm just going to lift her legs up, mate.
You alright there, love? Did you get a name?
Yeah, Nicola.
Nicola. Hey, Nicola. Can you hear me?
Just keep checking on her breathing.
Breathing alright. I think she's starting to come back around a bit.
Nicola?
Nicola, do you know where you are? No?
Just relax, I'm Andy, I'm a first aider. Okay, we've already met. You've been bit by a dog, but we're going to look after you, okay? Just lay back for me, nice and steady. Keep talking to me. Nicola, keep talking to me. So you out doing some walking?
Yes.
Yeah?
Got to get my 10,000 steps in today.
10,000 steps?
I don't think I'm going to make it though.
No, look, you'll be fine. Ambulance is on its way.
Thank you.
You're alright.
You sure the dog's not coming back?
I promise you that dog ain't coming nowhere near me.
Thank you.
You'll be absolutely fine. Grant, how are we looking?
Yeah, it's alright, mate.
See, Grant's taking good care of you. Look at that.
Okay,
Beautiful.
Feeling better already, thank you.
Yeah, wonderful.